because I eat a lot of food in Minecraft. And I need to kill sheep because I need to make carpets. Then I smash it with a hammer. Then you need another one to smash it with a hammer. Then it makes a carpet.
So what's the carpet for? What's the carpet for?
The carpet is for so you can walk on it. So you don't need shoes. That's why.
But why do you need a hammer?
To smash it.
To
Then
smash
it goes
what?
The wall.
The wall. Or the sheep?
No, the wall, because you have to smash it when it goes flat.
Oh, really?
And also you can make a picture from it.
So what else do you do in Minecraft?
I play, but we already built a shelter, but we always kill animals, and then we find iron, but my dad goes on adventures because then he always dies.
That's not true.
Yes, you do.
No, that never
You
happened.
always
Never
go
happened.
scared.
Never happened.
No, you always go on
I don't know.
scared.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, you are no. Actually, you are naughty boy.
Понятно.